Hi, hello everyone. Today we will discuss about reading strategies. In this lesson, we will learn about how to become an active reader. Being an active reader is really important to learn critical reading. The benefit of being an active reader, it can help you to understand more of what you have read and remember it longer. In order to become an active reader, you can do several things such as reviewing a text, set the purpose for reading, build on what you already know, and of course you have to dialogue with the text. For further explanation, we can see the next slide. So, in here, it is clear that there are three processes when you want to be an active reader. Those processes are before reading, during reading, and after reading. The first step to be an active reader while you are reading is that you have to prepare yourself. This can be done by review the text or the book in order to get an overview of content and know the difficulty of the text or the textbook that you want to read. The second step after previewing is that you can also make predictions about the contents that you probably will find inside the text. And furthermore, you can also connect the idea inside the text with your own experiences. During reading, you can try to understand the ideas by doing several actions, such as highlighting and annotating, which mean that you have to highlight sentences or topics that are important for you. Or you can try to annotate it by giving some comments or critique on the page you read. To fully understand the text, you can also do mind mapping or outlining. Don't forget to pay attention to comprehension signals such as punctuation or others. You can also try to figure out unfamiliar words such as make some hint by using the context. Analyzing visual will help you to understand more about text, or you can use learning aids if any. SUTR system is also can be used to strengthen your understanding and recalling the topic that you have read. The last process is reviewing the text once again. This technique is same as brainstorming. You can make sure that you have understood the text by trying to paraphrase it by using your own words. You can also try to summarize or to use learning and recalling strategies. In order to preview a book or text, we can use previewing methods and do simple steps like this. First, determine whether you are reading a fiction or a non-fiction book. You can try to preview the parts of the book, such as try to see the cover or the author name, the title and subtitle, the table of contents, the chapter titles, the subtitles, other visuals such as pictures, illustration, photographs, charts or maps, and other captions. Now, we will see how we can do previewing based on the book cover. You can see here that based on the cover, it tells you that this is a non-fiction book. Since we can see on the page, it is said Secret Diaries of a Junior Doctor. We can also try to predict the story of this book by seeing the title. The title of this book is This Is Going to Hurt. We can predict that this book probably will tell us about sadness, if we just guess from the title, of course. But to make sure, of course, we should fully read the book. As Wiseman says, don't only judge the book from its cover. So you need to read all the pages inside the book. Now, we will learn how to preview a text. In reviewing the parts of the text, you can do several steps as follows. First, you can read the introduction or the first paragraph and read each bold-faced dark print heading. After that, you can read the first sentence under each heading, which often states the central thought of the section. Don't forget, you have to read the first sentence of each of a few paragraphs on each page to discover the main ideas. Then, try to see if there is any graphic aids. The last but not least, you try to read the last paragraph or summary, which is the condensed version of the text. So, it is clear that if you want to be an active reader, to enhance your understanding to the text and be a critical reader, you have to do three main steps, which are to do something before reading, during reading, and after reading. I hope that my explanation is clear enough. Thank you for your attention and participation. See you on the other lesson. Bye.